Hi, my name is Christina Meyer Bengtsson. I originally graduated from the Royal Academy of Fine Arts in visual communication and have worked as a graphic designer for several years. But then I kind of switched over to doing interior design. I worked closely with my husband, who opened restaurants and bakery shops, and also a big project in New York at Grand Central Terminal in Manhattan. I started working, doing my own kitchen. I started designing my own kitchen table, dining table, pendant lamps, shelves, and I found it so interesting that I kind of have been keeping myself in that area. But I take great pleasure in not limiting myself within just one field like graphic design, but that I have been able to use my creative talents in these many ways is really satisfying for me.